Hello viewers, in this video I am going to unbox this beautiful monitor from the Dell. Its model number is S2425HSM. So let's see how it's working. So in this video I am going to show you everything from how to unbox it and how to set it up and how to mount it on your desk and how this monitor is working and its features and highlights and how it will be perfectly suiting for you. So come on guys, let's have a view. So guys, this will be the first part and base of the stand. So onto this you have to attach this pipe like part onto it, and underneath it there will be a screwing option. You don't need any tools for this, so they themselves have that facility to screw it up. So screw it properly as I'm doing in the video. So guys, give a tight screwing as I'm doing in the video. After this, the next part you have to attach is this small part, which you will be next attaching it to the monitor. So attach with this part like I'm doing in the video. So place it on the already attached parts. So seat it well like I'm doing in the video, and it will also contains a screw. So screw it up well like I'm doing in this video. So give your full power and screw it tightly so that it won't collapse in future. So first process of setting the stand of the monitor is completed. Next, the both the edges from the stand already we assembled should be mounted onto the monitor like this, as I'm doing in this video, and like slowly drop it down like I'm doing in the video, so that it will be completely attached to the monitor. So hence the assembling part of the monitor is completely finished, and that's it. So guys, once completed, this is how it will be looking like. So this monitor have these kind of highlights, like we can rotate it vertically, which will be helpful for developers in coding time, and you can also change its height by how I'm doing in the video for your comfortable view. And other option is you can turn it in sideways also as you need it. So these are the features it contains physically for this much of cost. So come on guys, let's move to the next process. So we should mount it onto the desk. Make sure the desk is steady and stable, and keep everything in a arranged manner, because there will be many wiring things, like there will be HDMI cables, the power cables of monitor and laptop. So arrange it in proper manner. So guys, we have completed everything. So you can see monitor in its place, laptop in its place, and all wiring things have been finished, and the laptop and monitor also connected with the HDMI. So now I don't want to open the lid of the laptop at all to power it on. Just giving power to the monitor and giving power to the laptop by its own charger itself enough. I don't want to open the lid. Now you can see just 5 to 10 seconds maximum. So you can see now laptop has been switched on, like without opening the lid itself. So I can directly starts to work here itself. So this is the advantage which I was saying. You will have a big display for you for your comfort, and you will also save your laptop hinges. So these are the comforts you will be having by using a monitor. So guys, come on, let's we check how the sound quality of this monitor is. So here is my YouTube channel, and I'm going to like play this video. Hello viewers, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம எங்க வந்திருக்கோம்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா கோயம்புத்தூர்ல இருக்க கேஸ் ஃபாரஸ்ட் மியூசியம். ஸோ இங்கே பாத்தீங்கன்னா 40 rupees என்ட்ரி சார்ஜ். ஸோ இங்க நீங்க என்னெல்லாம் பார்க்கலாம்னா so guys, the sound is very good for a 10:10 room itself. It's comfortable to hear. So this monitor is coming with a inbuilt speakers is much more worthy for its pay. So you can opt for this monitor if you like wish to have this kind of setup for your comfort. So in upcoming videos I will teach you how to use this monitor as a TV and for your gaming purpose without connecting to the PC. How you can do those things I will explain in the upcoming videos. So bye guys, and this is what and the video is.